I've already managed to lose all of my keys. I'm not even mad. I feel very numb to the situation because it's just always one thing after the other. So, quick recap. I moved into my first solo apartment in New York City about a year and a half ago. We did it, Joe. And it was a full-blown horror story. The entire apartment reeked of gas. I ultimately decided it was time to leave and embrace change. So I packed all my stuff and headed off to Jersey City. But plot twist, we're still facing issues. It's so tight. Welcome to the moving vlog. I call this episode Series of Unfortunate Events. Wow, it's really cricket. Really cricket. But you know what? We're gonna live with it because I really don't have the bandwidth to fix it. Good enough to me. Current plant situation. Since I'm gonna be gone for a couple of days, I'm just sticking it in the window so we can get lights, but we were definitely in shock from the move, you guys. Hopefully they'll bounce back. Delilah's looking pretty okay, thankfully. This corner I'm obsessed with. The photo is just fully cricket. It's okay. When I come back and have more energy, I will look into fixing this. But as of right now, I don't care anymore. You guys, we are getting there. We are getting there. Apartment is coming together. It's still hot. I just ordered a new AC unit. I really regret it though. I wish that I would have just kept my old one, but it was leaking water really bad and I needed to put it in the U-Haul and I was not trying to get all my stuff wet and I was also really tired. I ended up ordering a new one. Hopefully it'll work better than the last one because the last one honestly really didn't work that well. But I've ordered a lot of stuff. I'm hoping that the stuff that I've ordered can help to put all of the things that don't have a home to now have a home. Wi-Fi is hopefully going to be fixed on Wednesday. And the goal is to have everything in place by the time I install my AC unit, which is here. It's downstairs, but it's gonna stay there because I have no room for it. Yeah. It is coming together. And we love that. And I'm eating Chick-fil-A because now on my new commute to work, I passed by Chick-fil-A. And I was like, you know what? I haven't had Chick-fil-A in a minute. Let's eat it. So, I don't want to show you all just yet. Because it is just a room. So if I turn around, you see everything basically. You get a little snippet right here. So, we're just going to do these little check-ins. And we'll go from there. Okay. Change of plans. I'm going to hang up all my plants and hope that they get sunlight somehow. I'm gonna do one above the mirror right there, and then maybe two in one of these windows, and we're gonna hope for the best. I think that it's in the way of the mirror. I think that I need to shift it a little bit because I will not be able to really enjoy the mirror. I think it looks better. Let's just hope it doesn't fall out. I've already managed to lose all of my keys. I'm not even mad. I feel very numb to the situation because it's just always one thing after the other. It's always something. At least I'm healthy. I'm not hurt. My bank account's gonna hurt after this because I know I'm gonna be charged an arm and a leg to replace everything. But c'est la vie. That is freaking life. Currently ready for work, but my Wi-Fi guy was supposed to be here at 8. I got a text message at 8:30 saying that he's on his way. So that's fun. I think that I'm gonna go down to the leasing office and let them know that I don't have keys, and see what the process is to creating new ones for me. So while I'm waiting for homeboy, I'm just gonna leave my apartment unlocked. Probably not the best decision, but it feels pretty safe in here. So I just need to do this now because I can't wait any longer because I have to go to work. Fun. These past few days are just not my day. I went from having like an amazing weekend in Berlin to just straight back to reality, and it sucks, but that's life, unfortunately. Y'all, I'm sweating, okay? And I'm supposed to be waiting on the people who helped me put my AC unit on Saturday, but we're not doing that. I don't even have all the parts. I don't care. I'm putting it in the window right now because I can't deal with this anymore. You see this? It needs to stop. We putting this in the window now. The issue that I'm also facing is that this window is unfortunately broken, and when I pick it up, it doesn't stay up. Like, let me show you. Like, see, oh, it, and like this shit is like broken. So they're supposed to be coming to fix it. Oh God, this is so annoying. It just feels like I'm so close, and it just, I need to just be patient. We're almost there, but like I cannot deal with this heat right now. I'm like dying in here. Getting really aggravated. They were supposed to be here to fix the repairs that are the issues with my apartment and help me install my AC unit. I talked to the maintenance guy and it seemed like he had no idea what I was talking about as far as like someone coming to fix my apartment. They were supposed to come at 10. When I talked to him, he said he'll come at 11. It is now 11:30 and still nothing, and it's hot. And all I want is just to plug in this AC unit that is literally right here, that's been taking up space, that I literally can see but cannot even use. I spent $300 for this thing, can't even use it because my window's broken. I would install it myself, but the thing is like actually broken. I don't know if you see, there's like literally, I put the bracket up to try and keep the window up, but it's like I need to lay the bracket down, and it's hard for me to put an AC unit that weighs like 50, 80 pounds in while holding the window up. So I'm just getting really frustrated. I also don't know how to turn my stove on, so I don't know how to cook. So I've just been ordering food, trying to be patient, but unfortunately these are the things. They are way nicer than my last landlord. I've expressed the issues. They've been very communicative about trying to fix the issues, but just seems like there's been like some miscommunication about this maintenance guy coming to fix it, and yeah.
Been doing this, the more time we can spend doing other things.
Is putting our sleeping pads in there?
Yeah. Come on, water!
It's beautiful. I feel so much better. I just needed some
My favorite meal
patience, but it is set up and I feel at home. I'm gonna set up my bed. I got a new comforter, so we're gonna set that up, but we're feeling good. All that's left is to hang up my artwork on the wall and clean up just a little bit. Some of these return some boxes, but we are good. I feel so happy. So you guys, literally, it's always something. I'm telling you, it is always something. I literally always have freaking flakes. My psoriasis is psoriasising. Yeah, got all set up with my AC unit, doing good, watching TV in the cool air. All of a sudden, my power turns off. Apparently there is an outage happening in the area. So just chilling here without power, which is fun. It's always something.
Okay, Sherry doesn't know what I'm talking about.
I
You guys
sure
might.
do not.
So, do you guys remember back in the 90s when we were growing up like kids and this would be in the library? Like this book,
Okay, why is he standing like that?
it was
Number
called
one.
Animorphs.
Show the road. Show the road.
Okay. Look at this. Look,
That's disrespectful.
but it's a real thing. I know I didn't make it up.
That's disrespectful. I was wondering, I'm like, why is she turning into a road?
That was the reference. Animorphs. Taylor knows. Taylor knows.
Not as missing our whole ass train debating about someone turning into a fucking cockroach. We missed our entire train. No, it's gone. It literally is gone.
Not bad. Only us. Nah, we're diving into the beauty of animorphs.
You guys, we're coming together, okay? I feel like I keep saying this. My face is greasy. It's not because of sweat, because your girl has an AC unit now. I'm already obsessed with my place and we're not even done yet. We have a few final touches left and we're gonna be good to go. Today is all about hanging up all of my artwork. I have this one up for now until I can figure out how to frame my tapestry that I got from India. But there's a wall right here that honestly, it looks good on its own, but me being me and needing to be extra, we need to fill it up with art. So today is all about what art I can actually fit on this wall, because it really isn't that big and my TV's covering it up. I want to show you guys, but again, my place is so small that if I turn the camera around, you're going to see everything, and no spoilers until the final reveal video. So yeah, we're gonna figure out what art I can actually fit on this wall, attempt to hang it up, and we're gonna be done. I'm so excited. I think I figured out what workouts I want to do. So you guys know that yoga is like my primary workout, which I think I found a yoga studio that I do like, but I've been wanting to add extra things like strength training and things like that. I went to an Orange Theory class this morning and I actually enjoyed it. I thought I'd be dead by the end of it, but I didn't die. So might be looking into Orange Theory. Anyway, this video is not about that. This video is about this wall and finishing the final touches. So let's get these photos on these. Okay, so currently these are all of the art pieces that I have. I also have this one right here. Don't know if I'll be able to keep this one. Might put it in the bathroom, but I'm thinking that this blue one right here, I'm gonna actually keep on the floor in front of my full-length mirror because this is just way too big. It's also really heavy and I don't trust myself hanging it correctly. I barely hanged it correctly in my last place, and I think it might create some cool dimensions maybe and try and cover up the wiring that's down there. So yeah, everything else I think I can hang because they are pretty light. So yeah, I think we will try and put this one in the bathroom as well, but we'll see. I unfortunately think that I'm going to have to get rid of one of the Amy Winehouse vinyl things and just choose which one I want. But like these are like non-negotiables. These are definitely getting hung on the wall for sure. Okay, I don't know if I necessarily like how this looks. It looks like I had nowhere else to put it and I just put it there. So unfortunately, if I don't find somewhere to put this, we might have to get rid of this mirror, which is okay because I literally found that one and I found that one on the street. So it is all right if I have to put it back on the street for someone else to take. But yeah, we'll see. I'll let it live there, let it sink in a little bit, but so far I am not really liking how it looks. I have this thing that will go in front of it. Let's see if that changes anything. Again, we're gonna let it sink in for a little bit. So what have we learned today? Number 1, probably not a good idea to drop your keys in your Amazon return box and then return it, because currently my keys are being shipped to a warehouse near you. Number 2, probably also not a good idea to use my microwave and my AC unit at the same time, because then my power shuts off. And most importantly, number 3, good things take time and patience, and those things should never come easy, because it's through the stress and the hard times that you appreciate the good when it comes. Just like the artwork that is hanging crooked till this day on my wall. Things are not always going to be perfect, but you can still find and appreciate the beauty of it.